Hello dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your Google search because sometimes we search a lot of things on the Google, and in this video, I will show you how you can delete your Google search very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So for this, open your Google and you will see on top right profile icon, click on it, and then you will see search history options, click on it, and then you will see delete options, and you can see there are search of Google, so you can delete it one by one. So in this way it will be automatically deleted. So if you want to delete your all search, then click on delete, and then click on delete all time. Then click on next, and then confirm that you would like to delete the following activity. Then click on delete options, then click on OK. So you can see there is no any search history. So in this way you can delete your all Google search history very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.